So, some plastic. Baht. So we'll put the bottles in. So as part of Smiling Creatives, and what we're going to be doing at Kampong Club next year and continuously, is the fish. And instead of just putting the waste in something creative, a bit of educational creativity, is in Siem Reap you can come to a workshop and make a fish. An example, let's do more. Some tap plastic. As an example, we'll get some of these plastics, they're left everywhere, and we'll fill the fish up. Some fish, 10 kilo, tap kilo. We'll do tap kilo fish. And then this way, if we want, we can keep the fish. So we'll be able to case it and then have a feature piece. So again, educational. Socks bye. Good. Creative and something they can put, whether it's in a cafe or a restaurant, let the tourists see and be educated. So, lovely.